attending the demo. So today our demo is on D365 Finance and Operations. It's a technical demo. Let me in into the someone is trying to join. Okay, this is a completely technical demo, guys. So what are the other things are there in F&O? Okay. I'm purely talking about that F&O. Here we have a functional and technical is there. Here we are focusing only the technical only. Completely technical we can talk about. So first, before jump into that demo, and who are eligible to learn this course? Okay, the technical course who are eligible, who are coming from that BTech, okay, computer science or electronics or information technology, okay, triple E mechanical, everyone is eligible for, guys, okay, for BTech, MTech and BSc computers, MCA graduates and BCom computers, okay, and MSc computers also. So all are eligible for to learn this technical course. Understand? And coming to that D365 F&O, what is D365 F&O? Guys, any idea you have? Please share your thoughts. What is Dynamics 365 F&O? I believe before coming to the demo, you done any small R&D. What is F&O? Hmm? Anyone having any idea?
Mm, it's an ERP tool.
Hmm. Okay. Any others answer? Karthik.
Yeah, it is both like ERP and CRM.
Okay. Any other answer? Apurva, Rajesh, Samir, and Aksta. Okay, no issues, guys. And who are joined now? Can you please fill this form, guys? Yeah. Thank you, Samir. You all finished the form. And Aksta and Rajesh, Apurva, Karthik. Okay, Apurva and Karthik, you all know. Okay, fine. So, guys, what is the Dynamics 365? It's a ERP. Okay. And someone said, I'm not noticed the name. ERP and CRM both are different, guys. Okay, here we are learning about that only the ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Our Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations is a Enterprise Resource Planning. So, what is this Enterprise Resource Planning? What is the differences of that other softwares and this one? See, guys, if you take that any development technologies, do you have any idea about that? What are the development technologies? Hmm?
Like .NET?
Yeah, correct.
X plus plus.
So yeah, .NET. No, no, no. X plus plus is language of the front. This is the development technology. .NET, Java, PHP, C, C plus plus. Okay, these all are the languages. So using this one, we can implement the one product. Correct. But coming to that ERP, it's already implemented. Okay, it's already implemented as a package. So but why we required as a technical consultants, why we require? So in ERP, the package is already developed. Let me show to you in that, guys. Okay, so who are joined now? Vamsi and Divya. Can you please fill this form?
Yeah, Amar.
So it's taking time. So we'll start over. So ERP having that some package is already is there. So it's a completely talks about that one industry level or business completely. So in general, any business having the some minimum requirements are there. Correct, guys? Suppose I can tell about that one business about that bookshop related one. Okay, bookstore. So bookstore, if you take that example, so what are the things is required? Guys, is suppose we are going to be establish a new bookstore. So what it is required? First of all, money, right? Am I correct or not? And we require that publishers who are going to give the publishing. Correct? Those books who is the dealers and those publishers is required, right? So we can call it as a vendors, and we need to recruit some helpers, right? So that means those are the employees. To recruiting purpose, HR is required for employees base. Then we need to pay the salaries. Okay, that is the payroll is required, and we require that some warehouse also is required because all books materials it will not fit into that one, means it's a one shop, then we can take a one small godam type, so warehouse is required. And finally we require the customers because we are going to be sell these books to the customers. So if you think about that any small business, okay, these all are directly or indirectly is involved. Understand, am I correct or not? If I miss anything, please let me know. Yes, please respond. You can interact more, then I can share that more knowledge. Okay, these are the things are there. So to operate these things, suppose we can go with that any company. I need this software to develop. So how much time it will take if we take that any language, means it's a development languages, hardly 6 to 1 year, 6 months to 1 year, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, 6 months to 1 year. Yeah, it will take. But if you come to that ERP, okay, it's first day onwards, it's ready to use. Okay, ready to use from first day onwards. Why? Because it's already implemented. Okay, if first day onwards is ready to use, but what is the work for the technical consultant? Why companies are hiring the technical consultant? Because directly from the Microsoft we can purchase this product, then they can use it. Correct. Why it is required means here we are going to do the customization. Okay, what is this customization means? Let's example, I have purchased one new mobile today. Okay, after 1 week or after 1 month, if I check the compare with that new mobile and after 1 month, same apps are there or any other new apps is a phone UI and everything is changed, right? Based upon my taste. This is happening to that US also, right? Because what are the things is required daily needs we are going to be do the add to the our mobile. The same here, after purchasing this product, then based upon that bookstore business, we are going to be do the customization. Base thing is there, but we can add some extra features. Understand? That time we require a customization. Why I'm not talking about the implementation? What is the difference between the implementation and customization? Can anyone tell, guys?
Implementation would be like the product has been already implemented at a particular store or something at a particular place. Customization is according to our needs, some small changes would be needed there.
Absolutely correct. So implementation means that product is not available. So we are going to be implementing from scratch level. Correct? scratch level we are going to be implement. But customization means the product is already available. Okay, let's example. We can take that one bank application. Okay, in bank application, it's a product is available, but there is no other bank transfers. Okay, within the interbank transfers only, our vendor is provided to transfer to that other bank account. That integration is not there here, so then we can customize that functionality. So like this type of a small enhancements do the customization, and our product also is the up to date in the market. So here we are doing the customization. So existing product we can do the customization. But you can ask me, is there any no new implementation on F&O? Yes, it should be there. Okay, implementation also should be there. That time also, what we can do, we can use the existing tables, existing coding, and based on that, we are going to be implementing the new product. Okay, those things we can call it as a ISVs, independent software vendor. Most of the time, these things is implemented product based companies, service based companies. They are going to do the customization. Now, clear, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Amar.
Okay. So here, what is the coding we are using here? Our coding is a H++. It is a combination of the OOPS concepts and SQL server. Okay, SQL queries. Okay, what are the OOPS concepts like class, inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, object? These are the OOPS concepts. And SQL also is there. But who are not familiar with that these OOPS concepts, guys? No worry. I will teach that two sessions on the OOPS concepts. And the SQL is very easy. Its plus plus statement is converted into the it's means it's a SQL queries we can write it. It's look like a SQL but not complete SQL, guys. So this is the language we are using. Let me go through. Yeah, we'll check that front end is open. Yeah, this is our front end, guys. User interface or client. Some people is calling client. So this is our ERP. So it is a cloud one. Now it's a cloud version. So if you go to that, you can see that already some modules are there. Accounts payable, account receivables, like this. These many modules are there. So here these modules, Microsoft is already implemented. Okay, let me explain some of the one of the requirement. Suppose if I go to that account receivables and all sales orders, if I go to that all sales orders, yes. Meanwhile, who are joined now? Can you please fill this form? Yeah. See guys, all sales orders form is opened. Okay. Now I want to create a one new sales order. When I click on the new button, see this is the new sales order. So my customer is asking to implement that one more tab here while creating a sales order. Okay. Like this, he asking to create a one more tab. And here this tab is that we can write something test here. So identification. Okay, identification tab he needs to create. He asking to create, and inside, and he is asking to put that to some statements. Means it's the input statements are drop down his. So actually this is required to that my business. Okay, our customer business. This thing is not available in the standard. Standard means the core product development. It's not available. So it is going to be implemented. So these type of requirements we are going to be implementing. So this time what we need to do, we can implement this functionality along with that existing functionality also. We can combine this functionality existing one. So these type of requirements we can get it. Or sometimes our customer is asking, here you can create that some one button or one menu item. When I click on this one, I want that what are the recent transaction of the sales order, or what is the pending balance of this invoice pending. So these type of requirements we can get it. Understand?
Yes,
Yeah. So that is why we are doing the customization. That code we can do with the H++ coding. And in real time, now I'm talking about the real time how our work should be as a technical developer role it should be. So guys, if any project is starting, first of all, they will recruit the functional consultant. Okay, first they will recruit the functional consultant. Who are these functional consultant? They have the product knowledge is there. Okay, they have product knowledge is there, means is our F&O knowledge is there. And different types of functional consultants are there. SCM function consultant, trade and logistics, finance function consultant, warehouse product, like this, different. So these functional consultant visit to that client place or virtual meetings with the customer. Okay, they will manually visit, or it's a depends upon that business, guys. So if they visit to that customer, and they can set up a some meetings. So what they're discussing with the customer is explaining that their entire business to the this functional consultant. So this functional consultant will compare his knowledge with that product knowledge and customer business, what it is missing things and what are the existing things. Okay, understand what is existing thing and what are the missing things. So what is existing things, he can make a note. Okay, these are the existing things, so no need to implement or customization. What are the missing things, they can note it as a these are the gaps. So these are the gaps. And what are the existing things, but it not fully satisfied with the customer product, those things they can call it as a customizations. Okay, these things are existing but it's not fully 100% set. Okay, what are the things, guys? Existing one, existing with no customization, not existing means it's a new implementation or customization. Existing but not fully, it's required the customization. So like this functional consultant will make a note. Then they are going to be preparing a what are the things is not there. So not existing and existing but not fully. They will prepare a document called functional design document, FDD. Okay, functional design document. What it is contains this document? This document contains the how we are going to be fulfill the customer business with after customization. So they can add some extra screens to bridges like that. Okay, like we can in the general terminology in F&O FTD, but those are the bridges they can implement it, and they can they can put into that one document. The document is approved by the customer. Okay, customer side function consultants or business consultants are they, if they are approved, then technical consultant will come to the picture. Okay, then technical consultant will come to the picture. This technical person will do the H++ coding and fulfill that one. After this technical person also fill the one, create the document called technical design document. So this is what exactly in the real time. Understand, guys?
Yes, Amar.
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So these technical consultants, they can create a technical document. So this is the exact work is happening in the center. So what are the eligibilities to learn this course? I already told, right? It's this one. And if you need the two OOPS concepts, okay, I will teach the OOPS concepts in our course curriculum. Yeah. So where is our code environment? Where we are going to be writing the code? We are going to write the code in the Visual Studio. Okay, this is called as a IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Okay, this is the Visual Studio, guys. Okay, here we are going to be writing the code, and this is the AOT. Okay, and it having the data types and the data model tables. Who are coming from SQL knowledge, they can easily understand because it look like say SQL type. And user interface forms we are going to be discussing, and the code level, the classes are there. So all classes. So this is our code environment Visual Studio is. And the front end, what are the coding we have written here, those coding changes we can see into that front end, guys. Here, this is our front end. Okay, and these are the modules, already existing modules. Here we are going to be customizing, or else we are going to be implement a new menu items like this. So these are the my customized menu items. You can find that as some other models also. Okay, these are the modules already Microsoft is given. If you want to create, we can create a new module and create it. Understand, guys? And who are joined recently? Can you please fill this form? And Lohit, Lahari, and Dharmaya. And guys, now going to that. So after completion of the technical design document, it goes to that deployment stage. So after unit test cases and quality analysis, code reviews, everything completed, then it is going to be deployed. Okay. So this is what exactly F&O demo. And coming to that, when the classes are is going to be start. Okay. See guys, we are going to be start that classes planning to April first week. Okay, April first week, and timings this batch timings is that 9:30 a.m. IST to 10:30 a.m. IST. Okay, and we'll provide that recording access. So I will share the one Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, everything is noted. Okay, in the Excel sheet, everything record. I can give the link. So when you click on that link, then you can see that recorded video. Okay, this will have the 6 months of validity because in the it will be stored into that SharePoint drive, so it will be available in the till 6 months. And I will provide the soft copy of materials. So guys, this soft copy of materials is very useful for you. So using this one, basic to advanced is there. So yeah, that's it, guys, for demo. And this batch is going to start for April first week. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Yeah, Purva.
So Amar, like if we don't have Visual Studio, then how